The higher the coupon of the bond, the lower the price sensitivity of the bond. Coupons are cash flows that arrive earlier in the life of the bond, and face value is a big bullet, my friends, kind of cash flow that arrives later in the life of the bond. That bullet payment gets compounded many more times. So that bullet payment is extremely sensitive to changes in yield, whereas the earlier cash flows, the earlier coupons are relatively less sensitive to changes in yield. So if we have a higher coupon rate, that means that a higher portion of today's bond price comes from coupons, and a lower portion comes from the bullet payment at maturity. And because the bullet payment at maturity is the most sensitive, and because the coupons are the less sensitive, a higher coupon rate reduces the price sensitivity of the bond.